Intro. Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world for free? Imagine waking up in a new city every few days, experiencing different cultures, and meeting new people, all without spending a single penny. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I'm going to show you how. With a bit of creativity, resourcefulness, and an adventurous spirit, you can make your travel dreams come true without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard that right. No money, no problem. There are countless ways to explore the world without spending a fortune. Let's dive into some of the best tips and tricks to travel for free. First up, let's talk about travel hacking. Use those miles. Travel hacking is all about maximizing the benefits of credit card rewards and frequent flyer programs. Credit card companies offer amazing travel rewards. By strategically using credit cards that offer travel points, you can accumulate miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and more. Sign up for a travel-focused card and start racking up points for every dollar you spend. Make sure to pay off your balance each month to avoid interest charges. Book flights with those points and boom, you're jet-setting for free. Some cards even offer sign-up bonuses that can get you a free flight right off the bat. Next, volunteer programs. Volunteering is a fantastic way to travel without money while giving back to the community. Organizations like Workaway and Woof offer opportunities to work in exchange for room and board. These programs connect travelers with hosts who need help with various tasks. Imagine working on an organic farm in New Zealand or teaching English in Thailand. Not only do you get free accommodation and meals, but you also gain unique cultural experiences. You'll gain incredible experiences without spending a dime. Plus, you'll make lifelong friends and connections along the way. Ever heard of Couchsurfing? Couchsurfing is a global community of travelers who offer free places to stay. It's a global community of travelers offering free places to stay. By staying with locals, you get a more authentic travel experience. You get to meet amazing people, share stories, and experience a new city from a local's perspective. Plus, it's free. Many hosts are eager to show you around and introduce you to their culture. Keep an eye out for travel contests and scholarships. These opportunities can provide you with free trips and experiences. Many organizations and travel companies run contests where the prize is a free trip. Sometimes, all you need to do is submit a photo, write an essay, or share a video. It could be as simple as submitting a photo or a short essay. The competition might be tough, but the rewards are worth the effort. You never know, you might just win the trip of a lifetime. Always be on the lookout for these opportunities and give it your best shot. Got a skill? Barter it. Bartering is an age-old practice that can be incredibly useful for travelers. Whether you're a great photographer, a yoga instructor, or know a bit of web design, you can trade your skills for accommodation, food, or even transportation. Many hosts are looking for specific skills and are willing to offer free stays in exchange. Websites like HelpX can connect you with people looking for your skills. You can find opportunities to work on farms, help with construction, or even teach languages. And then there's hitchhiking and ride-sharing. These methods are not only cost-effective but also offer a sense of adventure. It's not for everyone, but it's an adventurous way to travel for free. Hitchhiking can be a thrilling experience, and you never know who you might meet along the way. Apps like BlaBlaCar can help you find rides with people already headed in your direction. It's a safer and more organized way to hitchhike. It's a great way to save money and meet new friends. Sharing a ride can lead to interesting conversations and new friendships, so there you have it. These are just a few ways to travel the world for free. Traveling the world for free is totally possible if you know where to look. With a bit of planning and an open mind, you can turn your travel dreams into reality. Keep an open mind, be resourceful, and your next adventure could be just around the corner. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Have any other tips for traveling without money? Share your experiences and ideas in the comments below. Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. See you on the road. Outro music fades out.